Tired of dragging cords across your lawn or constantly refilling fuel just to trim some edges? Say goodbye to hassle and hello to efficiency with the best cordless grass shears on the market. Whether you are maintaining lawn edges, shaping bushes, or cleaning up small hedges, these battery-powered tools offer flexibility, convenience, and precision. We have reviewed the top 5 cordless grass shears that combine power and portability like never before. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. Let's get started. Number 5. Denker Cordless Grass Shears. Denker's cordless hedge trimmer and grass shears is a powerhouse designed for those who want more runtime and extra cutting strength. It is packed with a 21-volt motor, which delivers up to 8,500 revolutions per minute, providing strong performance for tougher grass and light woody stems. What makes this tool stand out is the inclusion of 2 rechargeable 2.0 amp-hour lithium batteries. This effectively doubles your working time and makes it a great option for larger yards or multiple tasks. Each battery charges fully within 2 hours and can run for up to 120 minutes. The tool's ergonomic handle and compact frame ensure that it remains comfortable during prolonged use, even though it weighs slightly more than others in this category. The long blade trims hedges and small trees, while the short blade takes care of lawn edges and weeds. Blade switching is smooth and tool-free. Another standout aspect is its enhanced safety features. You must press a safety lock before activating the power button, helping prevent accidents. The design is family-friendly and appropriate even for older users or beginners who want a safe yet powerful tool. Number 4. Fira Cordless Grass Shear. The Fira Cordless Grass Shear and Hedge Trimmer is a top contender when it comes to combining lightweight design with cutting efficiency. Weighing only 1.74 pounds, this tool is surprisingly powerful and exceptionally user-friendly, especially for those looking to minimize hand strain and effort. Equipped with a 7.2-volt battery and a high-performance motor running at 1,100 revolutions per minute, it can trim branches up to 8 mm thick and maintain lawn edges with precision. The 2-in-1 tool easily switches between grass shearing and hedge trimming, and the process requires no extra tools or expertise. One feature that adds to its convenience is the USB charging capability. Whether you are using a laptop, power bank, or car charger, this trimmer is always ready to go. Number 3. MZK Cordless Grass Shear. If you are searching for an affordable yet efficient way to maintain your lawn's edges and trim light shrubs, the MZK Cordless Grass Shear is a solid option. Do not let its price fool you. This tool offers impressive capabilities wrapped in a compact, user-friendly design. The 2-in-1 feature includes both a 2.4-inch blade for grass and an 8-inch blade for hedges, giving you the freedom to tackle both detailed trimming and light pruning. The motor spins at 1,100 revolutions per minute, which is quite efficient for a tool of this size. It delivers a runtime of up to 100 minutes on a full charge, making it reliable for extended yard work. The tool includes safety features such as a double lock system that requires both a switch and safety button to be pressed before use. This helps reduce accidental starts, which is especially important for homes with children. Number 2. Saker Cordless Grass Shears. The Saker Cordless Hedge Trimmer brings more than just style to your gardening toolkit. It delivers power, precision, and practicality in one highly portable package. What sets this tool apart is its dual blade system that effortlessly transitions between grass shearing and hedge trimming. Whether you are cutting lawn edges or maintaining ornamental shrubs, this tool adapts to your needs with ease. One major advantage is its adjustable head, allowing you to choose from 3 cutting angles for those tricky corners and uneven terrains. This flexibility makes it especially useful for people who deal with various garden layouts. Number 1. Sunjo A604C Cordless Grass Shears. Sunjo continues to make waves in the outdoor power tool market, and the HJ604C Cordless Grass Shears and Trimmer stands as a top-tier pick for a reason. This compact tool proves that good things do come in small packages. Weighing in at just over 2 pounds, it is lightweight enough for anyone to use comfortably, yet powerful enough to handle a variety of tasks in your garden or yard. Its standout feature is the 2-in-1 functionality, switching effortlessly between grass shears and a hedge trimmer. This allows you to cleanly edge your lawn and then trim back overgrown shrubs without switching tools. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.